Hi guys, it's me Lakamanga again. Guys, it's been a while. So yeah, I was so busy at work in such a way ukuthi ngihlulekile ukuthi ngingavlogger all this time. So but I'm back. If you're new on my channel, this is Trinky, also known as Lakamanga on YouTube, Lakamanga on Facebook, Lakamanga on TikTok, all the platforms. So guys, Zini, today it's 12:15. Late guys, I'm wearing my cleaning dress. Look, I'm cleaning it, guys. I don't know how I'm gonna show you, but let me do this so that you can see it. It's just a simple dress. See, so what I'm about to do now, lightly bed. Oh, let me look this side and see better. Okay, so lengdo wena namuhla the cleaner and Jenny. It's not like proper cleaning because in cleaning a day before, so big and clean. So I'm just doing my touch up and lapo. So guys, please go on to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share and comment, and yeah, let's keep this ball rolling. Okay guys, so my nails are me, but seeing this I'm gonna just a plain nude color. So yeah, kamalaming Lakamanga guys, please, if you see this channel, ngicela uye kuma YouTube, like, subscribe, and comment and share. Please share with your friends, share with anyone. So each journey to Ikalala. It's the 30th of December. Guys, still only one day, which is 2026. So one nalomnyalo tako siqhube asibe nemandla ukuthi sisebenze yathi konke nje sikuphushe right empilweni kungabi nema empilweni ma hiccups guys. So sithandazele netinto le bethi planiwe ngathi letikabi sithandazele konke lokuthi makufika nje uNkulunkulu avele kundlule konke. So yeah guys, ngicala kuphi ngine problem with TV yami ayifuni switcher on. I don't know what's happening, it keeps on showing the red light. My switcher on iPhone, remote iPhone. So guys, I don't know if you know of anyone that can assist in a Skyworth a problem TV le assist please. So I'm also watching this other vlog on my other TV camera. So yeah, this is me guys. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Just clean with me. Angindzawo today. I'm here. Angindzawo guys. So please do visit my channel on TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook and Instagram. Like it, please. Don't just check like and subscribe, please guys. For now, it's bye. Oh my.
This is the rhythm of the night. The night. Oh yeah. The rhythm of the night. Night. The night. Oh yeah. The rhythm of the night. Night. The night. Oh yeah.
Heart beats fast, colors and promises. How to
again. Don't mind my dress. I did take a bath already. So now I'm busy ironing. Yeah, iron ngapha ngidla ama-popcorns. Ngidisha guys. Ngiceda la kuphoketha lo mshibo guys. Ngiyakoroba, so for now it's toodles. We'll talk again. Okay, now I'm busy tidying up la kitchen for now wash the dish and then saying a pass. I think I'll be done by that time. Then get the little pocket some shibawami mufagile fridge. I don't know if you guys wanna see how it yummy looks. Okay, see. So pagile so sharp gonna get it neat. Okay, so now let's wash it in dish, guys. Help me wash it in dish. I'm to say late. Okay guys, what I'm gonna do now, my lighting I sharpie light, so yo guys, I'm sweating. Let me just wash my hands. Okay, I'm done washing my hands now. Then my wings